Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn Class 8 Science Chapter Measurement Part 1. So, this is the Part 1 of our subject Physics, Chapter Measurement Part 1. First, we will learn about physical quantity in this chapter. Physical quantity. Careful observations and constant experimentation form of basis of every principle in physics. Experiments require measurements. So, hence, physics can be called the science of measurements, and any quantity that can be defined and measured is called physical quantity. And the definition is any quantity that can be measured is called as physical quantity. Example: length, mass, time, etc. There are various steps understanding physical quantity. Step 1 is defining the physical quantity. Step 2 is measuring the physical quantity. Each physical quantity is defined in a unique way. Its measurement is also unique, with specific measuring technique and measuring formula. But in general, the measurement of a physical quantity involves two basic elements, namely magnitude and unit. For example, when you purchase 10 liters of milk, you are measuring the physical quantity, that is volume of the milk. There is the unit of the measurement and 10 is the magnitude of the measurement. Magnitude of the measurement indicates that the unit liter is contain 10 times that the quantity of milk. Thus, the physical quantity volume has two elements. First, magnitude, that is 10, and unit, that is liter. So, we can express physical quantity as magnitude multiplied by unit. So this is the major formula and is important for solving problems. One question is there, best solve problem 1. The question is, if x represents the magnitude of physical quantity and y represents its unit, the measure of physical quantity is given by what? So they are saying magnitude is equal to x and unit is equal to y. Y. What is the measure of physical quantity? So, as we know the formula, physical quantity is equal to magnitude into unit. We have to find physical quantity. We will keep it as P equal to magnitude is x and unit is y multiplied by y. Therefore, it is very easy. Physical quantity will be xy because x into y is equal to xy. I hope you have understood this question. Now we will learn about units more deeply. Thinking to ponder. Being Sunday, Ramu's mother had decided to make some yummy sweets for her family. Ramu was asked to get the ingredients. The shopkeeper was confused when he heard Ramu's requirement. Ramu said, Mr. Shetty, that is a shopkeeper. Mr. Shetty is the shopkeeper. Ramu said that Mr. Shetty, give me 5 sugar and 3 milk within 5. Mr. Shetty said, sorry. Ramu said, yes, Mr. Shetty, give me 5 sugar and 3 milk within 5. Now, we are also so shocked. We can't predict that what Ramu wants. In fact, he wanted to ask 5 kilograms for sugar, 3 liters of milk within 5 minutes. In the above context, kilogram, liters and minutes are the standard references used to measure mass of sugar, volume of milk and time respectively. These standards references in physics are called units. Thus, a unit is the definition of unit is a standard reference in terms of which the measure of physical quantity is expressed. Example, meter is the standard reference unit and used to measure the physical quantity length. So, now we will learn about types of physical quantity and their units. There are 2 types of physical quantities. They are first is fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities, and second is derived quantities. First, fundamental quantities. Length, mass and time cannot be expressed in the terms of any other physical quantity. They are independent of all other physical quantities. Such quantities are called fundamental quantities. Definition is, fundamental quantities are those which cannot be expressed in the terms of other quantities. Example, length, mass, time, etc. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Example, the fundamental unit of time is second. Now, next is derived quantities. There are some quantities which can be expressed in the terms of other quantities. Example, speed can be expressed in the terms of distance and time as follows. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Similarly, density can be expressed in the terms of mass and volume as follow. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Such quantities which are expressed in the term of other quantities are called derived quantities. Definition is: derived quantities are those quantities which can be expressed in the terms of other quantities. Example, area, volume, density, speed, etc. The units of derived quantities are called derived units. Example, the derived unit of area is in square meter, meter square. Unit of area is equal to unit of length into unit of breadth. Meter am into meter am is equal to meter square or square meter we can write. I hope you've understood till this. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. I hope you've understood this physics chapter measurement part 1. This was our first part. In next part we will learn more things like SI systems, CGS systems, all these systems. Thank you for watching.